Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI device to HUAWEI P60 Pro. You need to begin by opening App Gallery on both. Following that, install this free app from this developer, code sent anywhere, and when it's ready, open it. Now to set it up, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to tap on Send at the bottom left corner of this HUAWEI device. Then select Receive next to Send at the bottom of HUAWEI P60 Pro. Also on P60 Pro, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to HUAWEI smartphone. You can finally click on all of the categories located at the top, and in them select all of your files that you wish to send. You can pick multiple or just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. When you finished, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on HUAWEI P60 Pro. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key instead, tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and last but not least, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!